Even on a gloomy day, the beauty of nature is truly breathtaking. Look at these amazing gear from RABAS Outdoor. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's see what's inside. Look at these high quality, durable, and stylish design. This is definitely going to be a great addition to our camping trip. Exploring the great outdoors calls for comfortable and reliable footwear. They are not only comfy and lightweight, but they also have a sleek design that is ideal for any trip. And what more relaxing way to soak it all in than in a cozy hammock? Let's go out more and make some memories of your own with RABAS Outdoor. Thank you so much for making our camping trip a success with your amazing products. We're really impressed with the quality and durability of these.